So we have a small harvesting video because, oh damn, we have some things that need to be harvested. Maybe I do need to cut them. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. Why are these not cutting? I'm just looking for the ones that feel and look very fat, because we want the plant to think that it hasn't produced enough, so it keeps producing more. Because the plant is not trying to feed you, it's just trying to live long until it provides enough things for it to survive and keep up going with the young generation plants. Maybe I need to get some new garden shears, or at least, what is it called?
Sure.
Sharpen them. I love how lush my garden is, but maybe next year I'll give more space to plants so they're not right on top of the other. But I gotta say, I do love seeing how green and lush everything is. I'd say that's a good amount. That's a first harvest of peas. I should actually harvest this broccoli because, as you can see, it's not tight enough anymore. So it could start to bolt and flower. But for that, I do need a knife. Give me 1 second. I'll be back. Okay. Put this one's up here for the chickens. This is the smallest head of the bunch, but it'll be okay. I'll pull the plants probably tomorrow and plant some green beans in their place, and hopefully I'll get some green beans since the ones in ground keep getting eaten. Prickly. Our first party pan squash. So cute. You keep producing, ma'am. Thank you. We appreciate your hard work. There is a good amount of other little patty pan squash that I see. But this is the one for today. And then last thing,
You got a spider on you now. It was on it was on the basket.
Oh dang. Where is it?
I don't know. It was on this side of the basket.
Oh well. Hopefully it's not a venomous spider.
It's not. It's a daddy long leg.
And then last stop, let's pick up some eggs. 4. Everybody laid an egg today, so that's good. If you want to have colored chicken eggs, I love them, but having mine, they lay the least amount of eggs. But they do look pretty. I am going to be making a review of my omelet coop. I personally love it. My husband says otherwise. But this is our harvest for the day or the evening. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. This is the last pea harvest and garden cleanup. As you can see, the plants were getting sick and dying, so it was time for them to come out.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors.
The cucumber plant was going everywhere, especially in the back, starting to take over the space of the pepper, so it had to be tied up.
When we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving.
I had a very decent potato harvest. I don't know how many pounds I got. I planted 30 potatoes back in early spring, and I was very surprised that they died so early, and it was kind of a little struggle trying to pick the potatoes up. If you have a way to pick them up that is easier, please let me know. I found myself picking the greens and then raking the straw and then trying to look for the potatoes, but then I didn't know where the plants were, so I think next time I'm just gonna cut the top of the plants, rake the straw, and hopefully there'll be a little bit of the stem still outside that will let me know where to dig. I do have clay soil, so most of my potatoes were medium size I will get, and these are all Yukon Gold potatoes.
Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon, no place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer love.
We found so many worms doing this. I was very happy, very impressed with how much better my soil is doing. We did ended up planting a second succession of potatoes. The video cuts off because it started raining, and we are waterproof, but electronics are not.
Change is constant, learning to flow. All the unknown, lemons thrown. May look different from what you've dreamed. Colors and contrast making it art. What if happy can be built thought I was lacking. Then I realized all is within. Are your thoughts friend or foe?
These are the potatoes that I found were too small, or the ones that got stabbed by mistake. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.